Hi, and welcome to Tip Tuesday. My name is Stephanie Holladay, and I'm a BCBA at ABC of Vinci. Today's tip, how to use a visual schedule with distance learning. Research has shown that consistently using visual schedules increases independence, decreases transition time, and can prevent meltdowns. If you aren't already using a visual schedule with your child with autism, it can be a great way to help get through the school day with less tears and frustration. A visual schedule is just an environmental support that shows the sequence of activities that are to occur. So kind of like a visual to-do list. Why is this so important? For one, you're bringing structure and predictability to your child's environment, which reduces stress for everyone involved. And two, you're providing motivation by making it clear when preferred activities will occur. You can also motivate your learner for tasks on their schedule by putting a preferred activity at the very end of the sequence. So that's what I did in my example. So we have morning meeting, math, reading, spelling, and then the reinforcer is iPad time. You can add check boxes for your learner to check off as they go. I find that's very helpful. And you can also bring attention to the reinforcer at the end. If you have any hiccups on the way to the reinforcer, you can always remind your learner of things that they completed and how much more they have to go. Please let me know if there are any specific tips or strategies that you would like discussed by leaving a comment below, and I'm happy to address. Thanks and have a great week.